Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready
for cash trucks. What up, friends and subscribers? Check it out. We are back with another cash trucks. Apologize if you don't like the portrait mode. That's just how Facebook Marketplace lets me record. So, or yeah, it won't rotate. So, check it out. We're looking at Cascadias right now, nearby. I love that interior. Anybody knows, you know what I'm saying? Look, it's only $64,900. It's a 2019. Very scared to find out how many miles are on it, but let's look at a couple pictures. It's white. That's a FedEx spec probably. Oh, it's a mid-roof, which that's good for weight, I believe. It's got an APU. Now we're talking maybe an EPU. I don't see. Yeah, it's okay though. That still works. Stay tuned, I might be building an EPU for my next gen T680. If I had a choice, I would have went with the Cascadia, simply because I had one once before and they're just awesome, guys. They're just awesome. So good on fuel. Like, you know, it wasn't unheard of to get 10s. If you've never seen the inside of a Cascadia, I'd suggest you check them out. 2019 and newer. With the Detroit and all that integrated powertrain, it's a fuel saving, you know, deal. Oh, 508,000 miles, so it's overdue for a, a rebuild. You know about the Detroits. I'm sure it can go a couple 100,000 more, but yeah, have that in mind. Well, no, not if it's got the APU, it probably hadn't been idling that much, so. But yeah, 64, that's, I'm about to call the bank right now. 508,000 miles, got a Park Smart APU, air slide fifth wheel, 228 axle ratio. Check out my cat. That's what she's got to say about it. 227 wheelbase. Okay, let's check out it. Okay, yeah, the prices have definitely came down somewhat. This is a 2018 for $37,000. Super singles on the back. Whoa. Okay, yeah, it's the next generation. It's got the good interior there. Yep. Wow. I bet this thing's got I bet it's needing a rebuild. Let's check it out. What? It don't even have 500,000 miles, guys, and they only want $37,800 for it. Oh, that's great. It's already had a new injector and a new radiator. I understand the radiator, but a new injector at that age. It's an Indy too. Man, must have some damage on the front. They won't show the front. Anyways, yeah. They're now affordable. That's why we call this cash trucks. Let's check out some more. Alright, as I'm scrolling through here, there's an auction tomorrow I want to capture, so I might just add this to it. But if not, if it's not on here, it's not on here. Here's an old Landstar truck somebody decided to give up on. Looks to be that pug nose Cascadia. I can't stand those, man. Oh, the fairings go all the way back. That's nice. 16,000, guys. Has 870,000 miles. New compressor, new condenser, new turbo, new brakes and drums, new shocks, new fifth wheel, and a lot of new parts. All virgin tires. Passes the EOT inspection. Yeah. Here for all my check it out though. It's a Volvo. It's a Volvo 780. Okay, very nice. Oh, it's got the table in the back. Awesome, awesome. Never really liked the interior of the Volvos. Oh, they offer financing. It's got the D13, it's 12-speed, double bunk, I-shift transmission, workstation, $58,000. It has 250-gallon total tanks. The rears are 264. Wheelbase is 243. Damn. And well, that's just crazy for a plastic truck if you ask me. And the mileage is 685. I think I already said that. I don't know, man. Here's another Cascadia. It's a 2014 for 20 grand, guys. Oh, it's got the tri-pack on it. Little bit of fairing damage there, no biggie. Yeah, it's in Louisville, Kentucky, 20 grand. The truck is usable for parts only. The diff filter is crushed. The frame is bent. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, it's even got the 10-speed. Brand new clutch. So who said for parts only? Did the insurance company say that, or is he just saying that to cover his ass? Because if it got hit, let's look at the damage a little closer. The one box is destroyed. That's 15 grand. It must have went up under. Draw a line here. Let's do a play-by-play here. Little car, little four-wheeler or something. Was flying through here and said, boom! Oh, why do you guys watch this stuff? Here, I'll scroll through. You can check out a couple more of these. Got an email. Here's an old 2006 Columbia. Man, I should have started with a Columbia. 1.4 million miles. I bet I didn't even have a rebuild yet. I like it. Look at the purple nurple here. 99 Peterbilt 379. Only one picture. She is violet or purple. I'm not sure what color. Well, this says purple. Mint condition. Call. It doesn't give you the information. That's okay. It's the app. That's why. Yeah. See, now we're getting to the expensive ones. A 2020 Kenworth 2680. Fairings to the tank. That's it. Automatic. Has a little touchscreen thing in there. I don't know what that's for. I think it's navigation built in. My throat's all messed up, guys. Sorry about that. 104,000. It's a 2020. It has the Cummins in it, so it means, you know, poor fuel mileage. 222,000 miles. 230 wheelbase. Rear axle ratio is 285. 12-speed auto. Not bad. I just did a screenshot of that, so there's the thumbnail. Here it is, guys. It's a 2016 Cascadia. It's a package deal, but wait, there's more. It's a reefer. Yup. It's a reefer. Has a Detroit in it. 592,000 miles. Locking gas caps, I think. What kind of trailer is that, guys? Anybody know? 11,000. Oh. 11,000 engine hours. Yeah, 11,000 run hours. Okay, I see that. Pre-trip completed and passed. There's that floor that really needs washed. We're saving that. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, it's a 2016. It has 610,000 at the moment. The reefer is a 2015. It has a carrier, 7300 X4, and it's a utility. 53-foot swing door. He's had it for 2 years. Changed everything in time, and most of the work was done by the dealer. Package deal, guys. 90,000 will get you out there losing money. I mean, making money. Here we go. We are looking at the 2023. Here's one for $165,000. Love the color. Full fairings, top and bottom. It's got the wheel things. 105,000 miles. Yeah, this guy's living in 2020, ain't he? Here's a brand new Volvo for 205,000. Jeez Louise, man. fully loaded. That's probably why. The truck I'm getting. Hang on a second. We'll put that in there. The truck I'm getting was only $165. Oh man, you can't even. These are the old ones. Well, guys, I can't find it. Here's one. Yeah, this one's 180. It's a Kenworth 2680. It's blue. It has the cool headlights. Mine does not. Who cares about the damn headlight with the LED strip? That's not going to make you any more money. 510 horsepower pack car engine, owner op specs, EPU, fully loaded. Yeah, see, 180. In today's money, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you have that money and you have the contracts, go for it. There's that interior, super sweet. I like it. And with that, guys, I'm gonna get off here. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And I don't know if you got any ideas for another video, where to look at, what to look for, let me know. I'm game.